ଆମ ମାଟିର କଥା, ଆମ ମାଟିର କାହାଣୀ, ଆମ ମାଟିର ଗୀତ ସବୁ ଗଢ଼ିବ ମାଟି କ୍ରିଏସନ୍ସ।
This is
The highway which goes to Bhopal,
the national highway which
from
goes to
Bettul
Bhopal. Just on this side of
I'll take you a
the
place
highway,
which lives in the nature,
a heaven living on the earth.
the campus of Pradan. This is the entry gate of the campus, Pradan. Professional assistant of development actions. It lives in the very lap of the nature. It's the place where the youth, the professionals of the organization Pradan, they meet often for their recreation and reskilling of their technical professional skills. This is the main entrance gate. You see, this is wide open to the nature. We are walking up through the nature to the main campus. On the both sides, the greeneries, and it's a pathway, not very much pakka, but walkable and very very natural. इसमें मिट्टी का खुशबू आता है। It's a straight way. I'm just taking you from the highway to the main entrance of the campus. Yeah, you can see from a distance there is a small outlet where people sell the products locally made by the locals from their own produce in a very very reasonable rate, affordable rate you can say, and that showcases the efforts of the locals to make some products of their own. We're entering into the next gate, you can very well see. Yeah, this is the second gate towards the campus. The luxury of nature is at its peak. You can see the other side of the road, there are certain buildings which are basically dormitories kind of thing. Dormitories kind of accommodation, you can say. People, the Pradanians, the Pradanites, when they assemble, they live here partly, and there is many more accommodations inside the campus which we are seeing very shortly. Here is the outlet I was talking about, a small outlet where the local products It's complete silence. No hobnobbing of the city, no hobnobbing of the highways, speeding cars, speeding vehicles. We are getting into the serenity of the nature. Awesome. Here, the animals, their own kingdom, they live here very freely.
Them, they're also enjoying themselves.
Neither anyone disturbs them, nor they disturb anyone.
Here
Just have a look.
is the
around.
campus. We are entering inside. They feel as if I'm here
It's
to
a chilly
disturb them.
winter.
No, not absolutely.
But
I'm with you.
you can see
I'm
the
just
sun
walking,
rays, the
passing
sunlight
by.
here, abundantly available.
You are entering into the beautiful campus. A serene campus, a natural campus. The cottages are made to keep cool in the hot summer and to keep hot
Yeah, you can see the
in the
red colored
tough winter.
patches, constructions. There's the beauty of this place.
Nothing much of air conditioning.
Yeah, almost
Nothing
we have
much of
entered
hot water.
the campus. You see,
Here is
the nature is overlapping here. I will show you a place and just see.
there is a big patch
Look
of
from this
ground
distance. There is a
which
huge patch of
has an
land.
endless end.
I am told the
People say
Pradanites, when they
when
come
the
here,
youth they
the
assemble
youth,
here
they take a cricket bat and
one or
make
the
it a
other
cricket
day.
pitch. Play there.
They take off
There
a
is no
cricket
boundaries
bat
here. All open.
and play crickets.
Just imagine.
See, there is no pitch. There is a natural pitch here. Wherever
How
they hit
they
the
might
ball.
be feeling while playing cricket on this open patch.
Yeah. A milkman comes every day morning
And the milkman comes
to deliver some
in the
milk.
morning, it seems.
And
There is milk
that's
from the local.
right from the poultry.
Yeah, here is the beauty of the campus.
See the cottages here.
These are the cottages around here and there. And it is said these cottages are built up in a different economics and a different,
And
what
here
you
is
call, the right word would be a different
people call
architecture.
them dogs. I
When
didn't
they
find
say in the winter it becomes
anything to call them
hotter,
dogs.
in the warm season, in the summer it becomes
So friendly,
chiller and
wonderfully.
colder. That's the technology
We call him
and
Baya.
architectural
I call him Baya.
heights. I'm
Come,
just
come,
showing
come,
you
come.
the cottages from the distance.
Come,
Of late, I'll be
come,
taking you
Baya,
inside the
come,
cottages and
come,
show you the
come
architectural
here. Come,
skill of the people,
Baya,
those who
come
have made it.
here, come here, come here. Hardly is scared of.
Yeah, there are a lot of
And
chandinis.
here are
You
the
call
sit
them
outs.
small places where you can see the small sit outs here.
And go
I'm
for a
excited
fast
to inform
walk.
you that the
And
youthful
there are
Pradanites,
repetition
those
of
who come
sit
here,
outs wherever
they
you
have a
feel
lot
like.
of sessions,
You can sit,
the brainstorming
relax,
sessions,
study.
and a
As
lot
I
of,
said, the
it seems, must be
discourse,
creative ideas
debate,
pouring in
whatever
while
the youth
sitting in
can
the lap
afford
of the
to.
nature inside these
A
hub-built sit-outs.
endless thoughts arena.
See, I'm taking you to the
And
place now.
thinking is free.
That is
The
an
sky is the
amphitheater,
limit for them.
open one. You can see
I
it's
am
open to
proud
the
of
sky. These are the
those who have
steps,
built up this
and this is the
organization,
ambience around.
those who pace with this organization, those who identify themselves with this organization.
I feel really,
They are
really
really
most
great.
exciting.
They think
I'm
endless.
feeling
They work
exciting
endless.
while seeing to this
They think selfless. They
amphitheater,
work selfless.
where the young,
Here is
youthful,
an
energetic,
amphitheater, they call it,
calibered, skilled,
where
talented youth,
the roof is
Pradanites,
open to the
they
sky,
must be performing here. These are the galleries you can see, the places
and you
where
can
they can
hear the
sit,
chirping of the
layer
birds.
by layer.
I
And
feel they're disturbed or
there
they're
is a
enjoying,
small library across.
but I trust
You can see the ambience.
they must
Such
be
a
enjoying.
beautiful ambience.
They must be enjoying themselves. They are not bothered about me being here. This is their world.
This is the
And here I
place.
was
I'll
telling
take
you
you
this is an amphitheater. You can
slightly
see
nearer
the
to the cynosure of the platform
galleries.
where the stage works, where the
It's a very
performers
natural galleries.
perform their talent.
And there is the cynosure of the stage.
Maybe
And
they
there are
used to
the
sit also here
places
for some
where the
discussions,
youth,
some interactive sessions for their
the
creative
caseless
ideas.
human being,
Because it's an organization, what I
they
feel,
sit, enjoy,
there is a free flow of
they talk of
knowledge,
the nature,
free flow of
they
interactions,
talk of the nude human being
free flow of
without
skilling
any
each
adjectives.
other's skill.
The human, the original
And
human.
the ultimatum is to reach to the society. Yeah, here is the
Oh,
place.
such a
This is the
beautiful
place. This is the
amphitheater
main
they
stage.
have made.
You can see the
And
backdrops.
the roof being not there, it speaks that there is no end to thinking. There is no end to enjoyment. There is
Yeah,
no end to culture. There is no end to
I
fun. There
feel
is
very
no end to
nostalgic. I go
enjoyment. There
back
is
to my
no roof
dramatic
for that.
days in my
It
college
is
where
wide
we were not
open.
getting this kind of openness. I hope any talent can be
And we'll
poured
walk down
out
below.
or
Here is a
outpoured
place, a simple
in such a
stage, a
situation.
platform
Yeah, there is a small
where they mock,
platform here.
they rock,
Here is also a place
they smoke.
they assembled, I am told, during their days of visiting to their this campus for their interactive sessions, for their workshops. And here is the main building. It was a very comfortable day. I feel there was hardly any people. There was no session going on. It was quite
Hello.
silent a place. There was not much of
चलो
uploving
चलेंगे ये
that
आएगी
day itself.
साहेब.
As such, this
Oh,
place
nice meeting you.
itself
We'll be
is
talking.
giving
Ah,
you a
here is
sense of
Saheb. First time
calmness.
taking us.
Here are the people.
Here is Saheb,
I say
and
hi
I'm impressed.
to Mr.
I'm
Saheb.
impressed with them. We'll have a good time with them in the evening.
Probably he
We'll
is
see you in the evening.
the person who takes care of the
And
upkeep
here
of
is
this
what do you
place
call
at this moment. And he's a
a
genius boy.
badminton court.
And I have interacted with him last evening.
And here
And
is a way to a little
unimaginable,
pond.
incredible Pradan'ites. They have their vision in a different way. I am taking you to deep into the nature now. Just besides, you can say at the end of the campus, there is a small, beautiful. I'll
You
not
could
tell
see
you.
the
Just have a
smiling
look.
youth.
My camera is going ahead.
They are contained from within that can reflect
Yeah, yeah.
on their
You can see
faces.
now a bit of
We will
it.
not hide anything.
There is a
We
water
don't
body
mask
here
for corona here.
on the right side, and there is a
It's
patch
all
of
open.
narrow road which goes inside the
See a
village.
small pond here.
And here is the pond
Beautiful lotus.
in the tranquility, in the serenity of the nature. Just see how beautiful it looks. I imagine a situation when the youth, the Pradanites, the youthful Pradanites, they would be coming here for their
It's a
relaxation,
beautiful
for their
pond.
rejuvenation, or for
And it
restarting or
speaks
reskilling of their
grooming
skill,
such beautiful
interactive
lotus.
sessions.
They are the future
And
of
at the
this
end of the
country.
day, might be in the dusky
They are natural. They are
sunset,
growing
might be sitting across or
in this
besides this
dingy
pond.
water,
Anyone can become
proving
a poet
themselves
here. Anyone, I tell you.
to be the best in
Such
the
a
world, beautiful ever-living
scenic
world. That
input.
is the beauty of nature.
You can see the lotus, beautiful lotus,
We don't need to put a terrace, make a terrace,
very
put them in a
fresh,
terrace, and you cannot
gives a
grow
sense
such
of
beautiful lotus
freshness, gives a
because
sense of
they are here
youthfulness.
naturally growing and they know each other
I could not. My camera was
how
stuck
to
up
make
there at one place.
everything beautiful
And
around them.
here it
This is
ends.
the
You see
ancestral
the,
human
the,
being.
the end of the pond,
This is the real
widespread.
human. What we missed, we masked today.
I don't
That
understand
human
why
being
my
is
camera is
masked
not
today.
picking up from
You
there
call it
or
corona, you
shifting
call
from
it
there.
COVID, whatever it may be. Nothing
Yes,
lives
I will
here.
show you this way.
Here
This
lives
way goes
only life,
inside the village
the
and
sun,
maybe the borderline of
the
the
rays,
campus, which they have
the
made for
coolness, the serenity,
pedestrians or walking area
the specificity.
in the beauty of nature. It's a nature walk you can
Here
have
is a road I
here.
will walk down later tomorrow.
It was getting
It's enough for today.
slightly
And
darker.
this
I could
goes
not
to where I do not know,
dare
but
to
this
go
looks
inside
to be very,
this
very
place.
enthralling.
I'm
And
keeping it
very,
for next
very,
day morning. Early
what
morning
you
I'll
call
get
it,
up and
I'm feeling very
I hope
inquisitive
I'll venture
to
this
walk in that
place.
road. I'll take you
I'm
tomorrow
feeling really,
and
really
for the part
unstoppable.
2 of this place. Bye till then.
Again, back to the pond.
Thank you.
This is inside the. We'll walk inside, walk into the cottages rather, and where normally the faculty live, the Pradanites they live in these cottages. You can see the ambience around here. Pradan is an organization where I have met some talents.
One can hear
Yeah, you just
only
walk
my
down,
footsteps.
just walk down, walking down inside the
ନିଜର ପାଦ
cottage.
ଶବ୍ଦ ଛଡ଼ା ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ.
It is a campus in Kesla. They call the place is Kesla-Mp.
Complete
It's
silence.
hardly any distance from Betul or Goradongri. It's about 35-45 kilometers from Goradongri and about 100 kilometers from Bhopal, the other side. And very much on the national highway. You need not make a lot of efforts to
this is
get
the way to
inside
my
the
cottage.
forest. The forest is very much in
Probably
the
someone is
landscape
living
is
here.
very much on the roadside. Very much on the brink of the national highway. Just see, this is the beauty of this cottage. And so many cottages, many cottages are there. I was living in this cottage. I'll
Shady
take you inside this
Bilasati
cottage. Yeah, see the architectural beauty of the window and a small place, small utility place to keep things. And this is the roof.
Let's open the room.
The call I had told you this in summer it keeps the cottage inside cooler. In winter it keeps the cottage inside warmer. Yeah, see, slightly quality of the picture is not very good, but I have taken it spontaneously. This is the
Ventilators.
skylight. Just see the kind of skylight, and this is the roof made of mud tiles, and this is the ventilation here. Ventilators, you can say. And there is a small bedroom having two cots here, well sanitized. It's a creative abode, you can say. It's anyone who comes with some frame of mind, some frame of thoughts, will definitely turn into, that will transform into a bigger thought, bigger ideas. So I'm really jealous about the Pradan'ites, those who have been coming here, spending their time,
Just living
and reskilling their skills
so great.
and rethinking their thoughts. and finally the
Writers
finale must be
Rendezvous.
really excellent and incredible. There is a small place, a small
And
bathroom,
here
attached
is
bathroom, and cozy. Everything is available inside this place. And there are people like here. There's a small kitchen.
OPULENCE.
There is a place like
No
what do you
interaction.
call? There is a canteen.
No
People wish to
interface to
eat
the
there. They
society.
cook, and in the evening we play there the
Life.
badminton. There is a beautiful badminton court. I cannot show it to you here.
Living
There is a beautiful
alone here.
badminton court, and we play everyone, starting from the cook to the boss, whoever is here. Uh, they have a fun time here. Here is the place, Pradhan. I'll take you to the second episode sometime later when I'll go deep into their classrooms, their places, their kitchen, their restaurants, and all